Welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. In this episode, it's just a continuation from the previous episode where I was showing you how to make the tartlet bases using our homemade puff pastry. So, in our quest to go deeper with the pastéis de natas, which is a Portuguese origin delicacy. It's a delicacy of Portuguese origin, which is sweet and very sweet, but very nice and very funny in appearance after baking it. So we're going to be doing that. What do we need to do that? Besides our bases from our puff pastry, we need the following. We have our bowl here, our glass salad bowl, and our whisk. So we need 200 grams of sugar, 500 mils of milk, 5 eggs, our vanilla, and our vanilla sticks. We're gonna boil this with the milk, of which we can do that now. Then we need 35 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, which we must put in the flour already. So it's just a pinch of salt, so that I don't forget. So what do we do? And lemon juice. So what do we do? We boil the milk with our cinnamon sticks and a little bit of, because we don't have the, normally the cinnamon pods are recommended to use, but I don't have them. But it doesn't stop me from showcasing how to make a Portuguese tartlet. So I have to make use of what is available, but the process is the same. It's only the vanilla pods that you must have, because they make the tart very rich and very aromatic. So instead of that, I had to add vanilla essence. So what we do, we boil. So we're gonna boil our milk. So we put our milk, 500 mils of the milk. Then we take our sticks in. Then we add the vanilla essence in. Then we bring it to boil. And then, while the milk and the vanilla are boiling, we're gonna mix our flour. Remember, there is salt already, a pinch of salt in this flour, and our sugar. Then we take one whole egg, we put it aside. One whole egg, we put it aside. Then we separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. So we're gonna separate. So we need the egg yolks, 4 of them from the five eggs. So what do? We separate. So we have egg yolk, egg whites are down here. So the egg whites, because we need the egg yolks. So if the eggs are fresh, it's easy to separate, just like this. There we go. It's easy. Because there we go. And you don't need to throw away your egg whites. Remember, the baking is still ongoing. So we will use our egg whites to make another product, like a lemon meringue. We will need the egg whites. Or the red velvet cake, you need to beat the egg whites and the yolks separately. So we will make use of our 4 egg whites. You must remind me in the next episode. Remind your chef is also human, forget. So what do we do? So that's the tricky. What do we need? Our egg is here, so we are waiting for our milk to boil. Then when our milk boil, then we will mix the other stuff in. Then we make. So remember, 5 eggs, but 1 egg must be whole. Then 4 eggs must be yolks only. Then when our milk boil, we will put it in here. Then our sauce will be ready. What else do we need? We have everything. I think that's all what we need to do for now. So it's just the waiting game for the milk. Our milk is almost. We're gonna need a sieve, because we put, remember, the sticks in the milk. So for us to separate, we're gonna need just our milk is ready. So what do? So we pour our milk in the sugar and so our sticks are here. So what do? There is flour, remember. And our whole egg. So what do? We put 1 whole egg here. Then those we're gonna put them together. Then we mix vigorously. We mix vigorously. Because we don't want our eggs to bind. Because remember, this is hot milk. So we mix vigorously. I put it in a bowl transparent so that you can really see how the mix is changing to yellow. It's because it's more like egg custard. This is egg custard to say. So we mix it vigorously until the egg is well blended. Then you take some 100% lemon juice. So if you have pure lemon, you cut your lemon, you squeeze, and even take the lemon zest and put just like this. Yeah, it's very smelling very nice. I think it's a very good definition or textbook definition of vigorous. I think we passed the test. Yes. Then what do? I transfer this into this so that when I'm pouring out, I won't mess. So it's like egg custard. Then we put our oven at 220, just for, we bake it like for 10 minutes at a higher temperature. So what we do, put our oven up. While our oven is warming up, what do? We take our bases, then we pour. So you just put enough to fill the, not too much, but just enough to fill the base. And these things, they are very nice, they are sweet and very tasty. We are putting our puff pastry to the test. That's all. So when our oven is ready, we bake our pastéis de nata. Pastéis de natas. So it's a Portuguese tartlet, and it's sweet with egg custard filled in and funny looking. After bake, it looks so uneven, but it's very nice and very difficult to do. Most of the bakeries, they don't even attempt to do it because of the difficulties most of the people find themselves in when they're making this, because the product don't easily come out. But I promise we are going to make it a success. So I will bake 220 for 10 minutes, then it must set. That's all for now. See you in the next episode where we will be doing our family size pie, a Cornish pie, a big size, family size, so that all of us, we can share. You viewers, especially you watching, I love you guys. Keep on following. Thank you. CSNA maita basi siyatokoza magwira njito. Tizaonana pa next episode. Your resident chef signing out.